Hey friends, this is my mini fridge. I have built it using a thermoelectric cooling device, Peltier module known as. So this is that long wire which I have kept. Let's just remove it. So now let's just talk about the mini fridge. This is the large heat sink that I have used. So for the large heat sink to dissipate the heat from the Peltier system, and the other side I have fixed a small heat sink with a fan inside over there. That one, and I have fixed magnets over here. And full on LED strips on the sides over there you can see. Now this is the main Peltier switch, off, on, off. You have to keep the light switch separately so that because the lights create heat, which does not allow the fridge to get more colder, like -degrees or somewhat like that. Okay. I have built a small power supply over here, and these are the air intakes. Backside the air outtakes. This have this connector. I'm gonna power up this one. This is the lead acid battery connection. We just need this one, and you'll need like this type of cables. Here it should be like this, and here it should be like this, somewhat like that. That should just fit in this one. And this is a bit more lengthy, so I'm using this ones. Now let's just plug it in. Yeah, it's working. Now let's switch on the fridge. It's switched on. Now even the lights are switched on. While the lights are switched off, it's gonna be like this. Lights are on. It's gonna be like this. So I'm going to keep this small container. It's liquid inside. Let's just keep somewhere here. Okay. Now let's see after half an hour what happens. After 30 minutes, let's just see. Yeah, it's quite cold. It's a bit icy inside. Yeah, you might be hearing that noise. Let's just open it and see. Well, small pieces of ice. Oh wow, very cold. Shit. I've gone to just bring up the cloth. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's just freezing. Ouchie. It's brilliantly cold. Now let's put some over here. There is no ice coming out. Yeah, you can see a small piece came out. The small piece of ice. Let's see if more is coming or not. It's fully stuck inside. After half an hour, it's like this. It's not even coming out. See over here and here. Yeah, that's it. Oh, the bottle itself broke. That's it about my mini fridge. Don't forget to don't nothing guys, sorry. Yeah, this is just done. Yeah, that's it. Now let's just switch it on. Whoa. My hands are still paining inside, somewhat like that. It's just that cold. You feel a lot more colder inside than outside. Here, do you get hot air? Yeah, we get hot air. Not much, little. Yeah, this side it's very cold. The heat thing is freezing cold. Okay, that's it for today. See you in the next ones.